you're ever in dire need of comfort food and have 30 minutes to spare, this is the dish. It's mushroom fettuccine in a cream sauce, a hint of truffle oil, fresh thyme, and slow-cooked garlic. It's therapy in a pan. First, a little drizzle of olive oil. And now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of butter, and then a tablespoon of minced garlic. The garlic is almost done. So now I'm going to add my mushrooms in, which is about 200 grams. They may look like it's a lot, but like spinach, mushroom shrinks in size. I'm going to give it a little stir. And now I'm going to add some sprigs of fresh thyme, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of pepper. And now I add about 200 ml of cream. Give it a quick stir. Reduce your heat. And add a bit of your pasta water. A very little pinch of nutmeg powder. Give it a stir. And now for your boiled fettuccine. Just drop it in. Stir your pasta into the sauce. Ideally, your sauce should just gently coat the fettuccine. It shouldn't have too much sauce. It just requires 2 minutes for a final cook. And switch off your heat, and you're ready to plate. Little drizzle of truffle oil. A good grating of Parmesan cheese, and a final garnish of fresh thyme. So this is my comfort in 30 minutes. I'm sure you're gonna find your comfort in the same dish that I do. You can alter this recipe with any other kind of pasta or vegetable that you like in place of mushrooms. Don't forget to share, like, and comment on this video, and subscribe to India Food Network.